Today I'll be showing the demo for Rankify-it, our collective intelligence and collaboration tool, which is made to help communities to progressively decentralize, collaborate, and streamline decisions. It runs Peeramid Network, our social layer decentralized project on the backend. And it's made, to help communities have fun while they're doing some really useful work and measure that work of knowledge. So you can see inside we have a bunch of communities created for the demo purpose. Each of those communities are basically derived from some base asset, and they represent the transformation from that asset into the fellow. And they have some description, metadata, stats, and levels. All of this is stored in decentralized storage, so we don't have any API servers except for the blockchain and decentralized ways. And now we're creating a game. This is a very important concept of fellowships we have in these games or parties. This is a temporary group of people which joins in together to run a discussion for committed period of time. And here we're just like allowing to customize for the group needs to allow them to have like specific timing and membership constraints. You can actually also give more restriction to that if you need. And the level represents the requirements of the rank in order to join that discussion, which is shared across the fellowship. Now you can see also we have Discord with all of the live notifications going in, and actually the more we are developing the product, the more we'll be moving that into the chatbot interaction style. So the web interface importance is really having all of that, visibility on the discussion details later on in the interface. You can see also we're using our fancy CLI tool to just scroll through the states of the app to show you different interfaces and show you how the discussion progresses. You can see we are getting all of the live notifications, and eventually we have to refresh the interface just to accommodate that players joined. You can see we have a bunch of nicknames resolved. We have 5 players. Registration is open right now, and the game creator starts the game, and that marks that time stamps from them. It's all of the timeouts within the game are counted, and so what we want to achieve with these games, with these parties, is that we want to enshrine active proposal. So we want community members to be active in proposing the improvements, and here is what we have to do. For AIP fun, the integration type is Markdown, so the proposal type has to be text that will upload to decentralized storage in encrypted format, which will be verified in integrity, however, not visible to the community until the active voting stage just begins. So our player submits the proposal, it goes on chain, and then we are going to run our playbook further so we can emulate the multiple steps and show you the next interface elements, which will allow us to show the voting and some stats and intermediate state as well. As you can see, we are getting this feedback matrix during the voting cycles, which we haven't shown yet the voting interface a little later, but right now we're seeing the intermediate voting process as if the voting was complete, and that beautiful matrix of feedback, which we still have to improve a lot, is invaluable feedback of how you scored, how others scored, what the group actually thinks about the proposals in form of vector, which is super useful. You can train AI agents, and actually AI agents can participate and should participate within the groups. We are also developing a side product where there are only AI agents inside. And here we see the voting interface. So you see we are using quadratic vote credits allocated to each participant. They have to spend it across the proposals. They obviously can take a view on the proposal itself and check out what's inside. And we will be improving that interface a lot. So we'll be adding there diff views between different stages of the game or different proposers to give that maximized visibility for the evaluator, for the voter, when they submit their vote. And eventually we're running the game to its end stage. And once the notification system catches up, we see that the game was finished. We see that there is a winner. He has a lot of emojis. And you can also see in the terminal, he got 2 rank tokens. He got 1 rank token. We just query for balance, and we run this demo before that. And within the game interface, you can see all of the turns, who voted for whom, what are the best proposals, what are their content. The cool part is that actually this can be used for conviction voting system and conviction proposing system. And the funds are channeled to the retain these proposals as they are being largely supported. So that's pretty much it for this demo. I hope you find it useful and you like it. If you have any questions, ideas, you want to early access, you want to try it, please let me know and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.